There is a proposed 2025 stimulus called the American Workers Rebate Act. I'm going to break this down for you in a quick and dirty edition. My name's Mike Malachi with Pink Harbor CPA. Please smash that like button right now. Don't wait, right now, and subscribe to this channel. Let's break it down for you quick and dirty. This is a proposal by Senator Josh Hawley. He's a Republican senator from Missouri. He introduced a bill called the American Workers Rebate Act. It's only 16 pages, proposing $600 per person who shows up on the tax return. They're going to hear this misquoted as $2,400. It's not $2,400, it's $600 per person. This is funded entirely by tariff revenues. Currently, our tariff revenues are over $113 billion. We expect these to be in excess of $150 billion even for 2025. The bill is only for nuclear family members and their siblings. If you file a return and you're single, it's $600 for you. If you're married, it's $600 for you, $600 for your wife. And then it's for people 16 and younger that appear on your return. It could be your son, your daughter, your stepchild, your adopted child, your foster child, your sister, your brother, your stepbrother, or your stepsister. Who doesn't qualify is your parents, your grandparents, a relationship partner that you might have that you're not married to, or anyone else, including the kid that couch surfs on your couch and you fully support them. They must be 16 years old or younger. That's a key component here. Another key component is they must have a valid social security number. They cannot have an ITIN. Someone who's married to someone who lives outside the country, that other spouse has an ITIN and not social security number, they're disqualified for it. Same thing with kids with ITINs, disqualified for it. Now, the income limits. If you're single, you can make up to $75,000, and then it begins to phase out, and after $87,000, you can't get any. If you're filing head of household, it's $112,500 of adjusted gross income. After $124,500, fully phased out. Married filing joint, up to $150,000 of adjusted gross income. After $174,000, it fully phases out. This would be paid in advance of your 2025 tax filing. The government is going to use your 2024 return to determine if your adjusted gross income was in those ranges, and they're going to give you a check for the number of people that appeared on that return that are qualifying people. If you didn't file 24 yet and it's still out on extension, then they're going to go from 23. It's not subject to federal offsets, so if you owe child support, IRS debt, student loan defaults, it's not going to be reduced by those dollar amounts. It's going to go right to the people. The government is going to send out this money in advance of your filing based upon your prior returns. Unlike the previous stimuluses that we had, where if they gave you money and you weren't entitled to it, you still got to keep it. In this situation, if they give you the money and you're not entitled to it, you have to pay it back when you file your 2025 return. How could this happen? One, your income goes up substantially from 23 or 24 up to 25, and you don't qualify under AGI. You have to pay that back. Another situation, you're a single parent and you flip kids back and forth every year. You had too many children in your return that won't appear on 25 that they appeared in 24 and 23. You're going to have to pay it back. And there's other situations too as well, but just do be mindful. The government will come after this money. It's what they call a callback. They will ask for that money back. Now, there's a lot about this bill I don't like. It's in my more advanced extended video on my YouTube channel. I'll make a link to it at the end. I strongly encourage you to watch it, but this is the quick and dirty facts. I'm Mike Malachi with Pink Harbor CPA. Please make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel for all your tax and accounting needs. If you're in trouble with the IRS and you need tax resolution services, please call me at 856-226-9524 or check me out on the web at pinkharbor.com.